Good morning, children. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is triangles, chapter number 6. Okay. Last year you have learnt about the congruent triangles. Now this year you will be learning about similar triangles. Okay. Now when this word similar comes, what do you understand by similar triangles or similar figures or similar polygons? So first let us understand what are similar figures. Similar figures means the figures which have same shape, figures which have same shape, not necessarily same size. जैसे ये दोनों फिगर है, दोनों ही तुमको स्क्वायर लगता है, they are squares. So these two figures they have same shape, but do they have the same size? Are their sides congruent? No. Their angles are congruent, but their sides, no, they are not congruent. But we can say that the sides are in proportion. That is, if you just take the side of this square and the side of this side of that square and the other side of that square, that is corresponding sides. When you say their ratio should be equal, the ratios of the corresponding sides, it should be equal. Okay, and corresponding angles should be congruent. That is necessary. Then only we can say that two figures are similar figures. So what are the conditions, or what do we see in similar figures? Similar figures में same shape होता है, same size नहीं होता. They are not having the same size. Are they having? No. This is a bigger square, this is a smaller square. So they are not having the same size. The ratios of the corresponding sides are in proportion. If you take this as A, B, C, D, and this has P, Q, R and S, then ratios of their corresponding sides, AD, PQ. So you have AD by PQ. Sorry, AD by PS, है ना? PS है ना ये? AD by PS should be equal to AB by, ये है ना corresponding side, AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR should be equal to CD by SR. अगर इस तरह से ratios में है, their ratios they are equal, then we say that these two figures are similar. ठीक है? Similar figures को always by shrinking this one I can obtain this. इसको मैं इसका size, इसका इस फिगर को मैं shrink कर दूँ, छोटा कर दूँ, तो मुझे ये मिल सकता है. या फिर ये फिगर को मैं खींच लूँ, if I pull it I will get this figure. Okay, so similar figures always have same corresponding angles, A corresponding to P, B corresponding to Q, C corresponding to R and D corresponding to S. These corresponding angles should be equal and their sides should be in proportion. Sides AD by PS should be equal to BQ by AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR should be equal to CD by SR. Then we can say these two figures are similar. See here, two triangles they are similar because they have same corresponding angles, that is angles जो है उनका वो they are congruent to each other and their sides, no, they are in proportion. तो ये दोनों similar figures है. We can say that because angles are congruent, corresponding, we will say it as corresponding angles are congruent. A, B, C. ठीक है? If I write A, B, C and say X, Y, Z, then A, B, C, angle A is corresponding to angle X. ये दोनों angle अगर congruent है, angle B and angle Y are congruent, angle C and angle Z are congruent and their sides are in proportion, that is AB upon XY should be equal to BC upon YZ should be equal to AC upon XZ. Then we can say that these two figures are similar. Here you can see a pentagon, here you can see circle. They are all similar figures only. दोनों ही circle है, दोनों का shape same है but size is not same. And their angles should be in proportion and their sides, corresponding sides should be, angle should be congruent and corresponding sides should be in proportion. So this is how we can understand similar figures. Similarly, similar polygons. What is similar polygons? When two polygons with the same number of sides are there. Same sides होना चाहिए. When we say, when can we say two polygons are similar? When the two polygons have same number of sides. यहाँ पे 6 sides है, यहाँ पे भी 6 sides है, यहाँ पे 4 sides है, यहाँ पे 3 sides है. So these two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. वही condition apply होता है यहाँ पे भी. ये सारे जो angles corresponding to this figure also, these two are same. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने we can give any name, let it be A, B, C, D, और ये हो जाता है X, Y, Z, W, ऐसा होगा. So if AD by XW is equal to DC by WZ is equal to CB by ZY is equal to BA by YX, then, and these sides are in proportion and angle A is congruent to angle X, angle A is congruent to angle X, angle B is congruent to angle Y, angle C is congruent to angle Z, and angle D is congruent to angle W. Then we can say these two figures are similar. ठीक है, angles congruent होने चाहिए, corresponding angles should be congruent and corresponding sides should be in proportion. Then we can say that these two polygons are similar. एक और condition यहाँ पे है कि with same number of sides, then only we can say they are similar polygons, है ना. ये और ये similar figures तो नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so you can just note down. Coming to similar triangles, there also same conditions apply, that two similar triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so here you can see two triangles ABC and DEF. Can you see the two triangles? In these two triangles, if you see, if AB by DE, DE, it is equal to BC by EF, it is equal to AC by DF. अगर हमें ऐसे मिल रहा है, ठीक है, and you also see that angles A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F. अगर इस तरह का condition satisfy होता है, then we can say, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. ये होता है उसका condition. You can see angle A जो है वो angle D के साथ congruent है, angle B जो है वो angle E के साथ congruent है, angle C जो है that is congruent to angle F, and you can see that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Then we say that these two triangles are similar. अब सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स को सिम्बॉलिकली हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? जैसे यहाँ पे ABC सिमिलर टू DEF है, तो हम सिम्बॉलिकली उसको ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, ABC is similar, this is the sign for similarity, DEF. ABC is similar to DEF. कॉन्ग्रुएंस का जैसे ये होता था सिंबल, हियर यू हैव सिमिलर के लिए दिस इज द सिंबल. ओके, we'll just see one more example. ABC with PQR. Okay, you can say that angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, okay, and angle C is congruent to angle R. इस तरह से है. So you can write angle A congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. इस तरह से है. एंड साइड्स कौन सा प्रोपोर्शन में होगा? AB बाई PQ, ओके, इज इक्वल टू BC बाई QR, BC बाई QR, ओके, is equal to AC by PR. If this is the condition, then we can say then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ये है तुम्हारा representation. Symbolically you can represent it this way. Clear? अब ABC is similar to PQR. Can I write ABC is similar to triangle QRP? QRP. ABC similar to QRP. तुम कहोगे से नाम तो सेम ही है. No, but this is wrong. You cannot show this as similar triangles. Why? Because A का corresponding angle कौन सा है? P. लेकिन यहाँ पे A का करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल कौन सा है? Q. इज A इक्वल टू Q? नो, A इज नॉट इक्वल टू Q. A इज इक्वल टू P. ओके, A इज नॉट इक्वल टू Q. अगर हम ऐसे लिखें तो A विल बी इक्वल टू Q, B विल बी इक्वल टू R एंड C विल बी इक्वल टू P. तो हमारा ये कंडीशन तो है ही नहीं. We don't see A congruent to Q, we don't see B congruent to R, we don't see C congruent to P. So we cannot say this is correct. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because A is congruent to P, B is congruent to Q and C is congruent to R. ठीक है, और साइड्स में भी you will find it is having difference. ओके, यहाँ पे साइड इस वाले ट्राइंगल के what will be the corresponding sides if you take this as ABC and QPR triangle. तो AB के corresponding side कौन सा है? QR होता है. So AB by QR will be equal to BC by QR. तो ये corresponding sides में भी there will be difference. Okay, AB and this is QR. So they will also be not equal. So therefore you cannot write ABC similar to QPR या ABC similar to triangle RPQ. ये भी नहीं लिख सकते. Okay, you should see this condition. According to this condition only we can write which two triangles are similar. Okay, तो ये भी wrong हो जाएगा. This is also not correct. Okay, so these two cannot be possible. Followed or not? Okay, okay. When two triangles are similar, if I write if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया है कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है. अब दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, देन व्हाट कैन वी से? एंगल A is congruent to angle P. ओके, एंगल A is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. तो अगर दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है तो हम ये कंडीशन लिख सकते हैं. Their corresponding angles are equal and AB by PQ it is equal to BC by QR it is equal to CA by RP. So we can write if two triangles are given similar then their corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportion. तो ये कन्वर्स ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल हो गया. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी कैन से द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. If these conditions are followed, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If ABC and PQR are similar triangles, then these conditions should be followed, can be followed. Followed? So, this is regarding how to represent the similar triangles in terms of their symbols. Okay? So, you can note down. So, now let us solve two questions based on what we have just learned. Okay? Here it is given ABC is similar to EDF. Two triangles are there where ABC is similar to EDF triangle. Okay? Values of AB is 5 centimeter, AC 7, DF 15, DE 12 are given to us. You are asked to find the length of the remaining sides of the triangle. So, first let us construct or draw the triangle. What is the triangle? ABC. Okay? So, first draw ABC and DEF, no, it's not DEF, it is EDF. Okay? So, take note of the name. Two triangle EDF. ध्यान रखना A के साथ E करस्पॉन्ड होना चाहिए. A with E, B with D and C with F. C with F. इस तरह से लिखना चाहिए. Okay? Because these two, the name you should see, these two triangles are similar, not DEF. Okay? So, here we can say that angle A is congruent to angle E, angle B is congruent to angle D and angle C is congruent to angle F. ये इतना क्लियर है? ठीक है. साइड्स कौन सा लेंगे? AB by ED. AB by ED. It is equal to BC by DF. It is equal to AC by EF. ये हम क्यों लिख सकते हैं? Because it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. It is given to us. This is given. Okay. So, if it is given, then we can write this. ठीक है? AB value, BC value, everything is given to us. So, what is AB? AB is 5 centimeter. I am not writing the unit. DE is given to you. The D is 12 centimeter. Equal to BC, I do not know. DF, I know it is 15 centimeter. Equal to AC, is it given? Yes, it is given 7. And EF is also given to us. No, it is not given. So, this is how you can represent. So, can we find BC and EF? Because that is only asked, remaining sides का value पूछा हुआ है. So, take the first two part. Okay. So, we can say that 5 by 12, it is equal to BC by 50. It is equal to BC by 50. So, therefore, BC will be equal to what? BC will be equal to 5 into 15 upon 12. है ना? BC को वही रखा, 5 into 15 upon 12 हो जाएगा. So, 3 4s are 12 होता है, 3 5s are 15. That is 25 by 4 आ जाएगा. ठीक है? BC is 25 by 4. Also, we can write what? BC by, we want EF also. So, therefore, 5 by 12. 5 by 12, it is equal to 7 by EF, 7 by EF. So, therefore, what can I write here? EF को इधर ले लेती हूँ. So, EF will be equal to what? Cross multiply कर देना. EF इधर और 12 उधर. So, I have 12 into 7 और 5 को मैं नीचे ले लूँगी. So, I have it this way. Okay? So, you divide it. You will be able to divide and you will get the values. Okay? Some answers you will get it in terms of point. 6. ये 6 4s are 24 हो जाएगा. 4 6 are 24 है, मतलब यहाँ पे 6 हो जाएगा. 24, 1 is remaining, that is 6.25 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे आंसर. Okay? And EF you should get it as you should get it as 16.8. Okay, so this is 16.8. So I hope it is clear, everyone. Okay, so this way you can find out. Got it? Okay. So using the similarity triangle का condition use करके हम कोई भी sides find कर सकते हैं. Now come to this question. Find the value of h in the adjoining figure. So this is the figure which is given to you. Which is the figure at which the tennis ball must hit so that it will just pass over the net and land 6 meters away from the base. So again you can see a triangle here only. You are asked to find this height. This height where the ball must be hit, it should go over the net and land 6 meters away from the net. So you have to find this value h. Now here which triangles you can see? Actual में तुम एक triangle देखते होंगे, लेकिन you can also see one triangle inside here. So if you prove that ABC triangle is similar to ADE triangle, can we prove it? Okay, can we say ABC triangle is similar to triangle ADE? You can say yes, they are similar. Why? Because ये जो angle है और ये जो angle है वो दोनों equal है कि नहीं? देखो net भी vertical है और this distance h is also vertical. Vertical है to the ground if you see or to this AD, मतलब ये perpendicular हुआ यानी ये 90 डिग्री है, ये भी 90 डिग्री है. ओके, राइट एंगल्स बने. फिर एंगल ए जो है ये दोनों में कॉमन है, सो दे विल ऑल्सो बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो इफ टू एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, थर्ड वन विल ऑल्सो बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ओके, बिकॉज दीज टू लाइन्स यू कैन से दे आर पैरेलल लाइन्स. पैरेलल लाइन्स के साथ जो इंटरसेप्ट होता है तो वो जो एंगल बनेगा दे विल बी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स दैट यू मस्ट हैव लर्नड इन योर 9th स्टैंडर्ड, इजंट इट? ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन्स है, ठीक है, और ये तुम्हारा ट्रांसवर्सल है. सो वेन एवर अ ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट्स टू पैरेलल लाइन्स, ये जो एंगल्स बनेंगे दे विल बी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स ओनली. ओके, एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो वी कैन से दैट ट्रायंगल ABC, it is similar to triangle ADE. We can say they are similar because they are equiangular. Okay, equiangular. So when they are similar, then what can we write? Their sides, because we want h, no, so therefore we can say the sides are in proportion. What are the different sides? ABC, sorry, ABY by AD. Can you see? AB by AD is equal to BC by DE. Okay, is equal to AC by AE, is equal to AC by AE, AC by AE. Do we have AB? Yes, we have AB, which is 6 centimeter. Okay, AB 6 centimeter. AD कितना हो सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ 12 दिया है और यहाँ से यहाँ 6, so therefore AD is 80. Okay, which is equal to BC by DE. DE h है, so this is what you have to find. Do you have BC? Yes, BC also you have. It is given as 0.9 meter. So I'll write it there. Okay, 0.9. So इससे हमें h मिल गया. H will be equal to what? 0.9 into 18 upon 6. Okay, so that is equals to 9 by 10 into 18 by 6. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, that is 27 by 10, which is equal to 2.7. So this height is 2.7. Clear? So this is how you should solve these questions. Okay, so note down. Now everyone should take out their exercise number 6.1 of your textbook. Okay, in the first question is fill in the blanks. We will just discuss it. fill in the blanks using the correct words given in the bracket. First question says all circles are dash. Will it be congruent or similar? Can all circles be congruent? No, because if the radiuses of the circle are different, then they will be of different size. All circles, they are not congruent, they will be similar, but okay, their shapes are same but the size is not same. Okay, so you can mark there all circles are similar. Okay. Second question, all squares are, again squares, all squares cannot be congruent because their size can be different, so all squares are similar. Okay. Third one, all dash triangles are similar. Which kind of triangles will be similar? Only equilateral triangles, because all the three angles equal, then only we can say that the two triangles are similar. ठीक है, एंगल सेम होना चाहिए, so then it will be equilateral triangle. ठीक है. Then fourth one, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. दो polygons, कौन से, how can we say two polygons are similar? They should have same number of sides. ठीक है. Then their corresponding angles should be equal and the corresponding sides should be in proportion. तो ये दो condition होता है for any two figures to be similar, or any two triangles, any two quadrilaterals, any two polygons, it can be similar if their corresponding angles are congruent or equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. ठीक है. Question number 2, what does it say? Give two different examples of a pair of similar figures. दो example देने बोला है similar figures का. You can make two equilateral triangles. Any two triangles you can make which is equilateral, that is their angles should be congruent but their sides you can have it in proportion. Okay, these two triangles, they are equilateral triangles, angles are same, okay, but the sides they are not same, so they, here you can show that these two triangles are similar, or you can say the squares. ठीक है, इस तरह से दो squares, they are also similar figures. ठीक है. Secondly, they have also asked to make non-similar figures. Non-similar figures में you can draw a square and a circle. Are they similar? No. Okay. A triangle and a rectangle. Are they similar? No. So you can have this. Okay. So you can, this is the second part, this is the first part. I hope it is clear. ठीक है. Question number 3. What does it say? State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So they have given you two quadrilaterals which you have to prove that whether it is, or you have to show that whether it is similar or not. अब similarity का दो condition क्या है? That the angles, the corresponding angles should be congruent and the corresponding sides should be in proportion. So let us see, sides are given to us. So which are the two quadrilaterals? PQRS and ABCD. दो है. ठीक है. Are the sides in proportion? We will see that first. AB by PQ is equal to कितना होगा? 1. AB is 3. So AB is 3 by 1.5 which is equal to 30 by 15 which is equal to 2. Okay. What is BC by QR? BC by QR, again you have 3 by 1.5 which is equal to 2. Okay. You also have CD by RS which is equal to 3 by 1.5. So you can see it is in proportion only. Okay. CD and DA by SP which will be equal to 3 by 1.5 which again is equal to 2. सबका equal values आ रहा है. Therefore you can say the sides are in proportion. We can say that AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to CD by RS. CD by RS equal to you can say DA by SP. ये तो हमें equal मिल गया, the sides they are in proportion, but do you see the angles angles are congruent? Is angle A congruent to angle P? You cannot see. Why? Because this is 90 degrees. Here this you cannot say it as 90 degrees. Okay? So therefore angles are not equal. Angles मतलब कौन सा angles? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are not equal. So therefore they are not similar figures. So therefore quadrilateral ABCD is not similar to quadrilateral PQRS. So you can show it this way. Okay. So this is 6.1 exercise, everyone should do it today, and also you go through the other questions which we have done. Okay. Thank you.